Eggplants are a nutrient-rich food that contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They may benefit your overall health, including your heart. High in antioxidants, in addition to containing a variety of vitamins and minerals. Eggplants boast a high number of antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect the body from damage caused by harmful substances known as free radicals. May reduce the risk of heart disease. Thanks to their antioxidant content, some studies suggest that eggplants may help reduce the risk of heart disease. May promote blood sugar control. Adding eggplants to your diet may help keep your blood sugar in check. This is primarily because eggplants are high in fiber, which passes through the digestive system intact. Fiber can lower blood pressure by slowing the rate of digestion and absorption of sugar in the body. Slower absorption keeps blood sugar levels steady and prevents spikes and crashes. Could help with weight loss. Eggplants are high in fiber and low in calories, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss regimen. Fiber moves through the digestive tract slowly and can promote fullness and satiety, reducing calorie intake. May have cancer-fighting benefits. Eggplant contains several substances that show potential in fighting cancer cells. For instance, Salicylsodiene rhamnosyl glycosides (SRGs) are a type of compound found in eggplant. Some animal studies have shown that SRGs could cause the death of cancer cells and may also help reduce the recurrence of certain types of cancer. Very easy to add to your diet. Eggplant is incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. It can be baked, roasted, grilled, or sauté, and enjoyed with a drizzle of olive oil and a quick dash of seasoning. It can also be used as a low-calorie replacement for many high-calorie ingredients. This can reduce your carb and calorie intake while increasing the fiber and nutrient content of your meal. Caution: overuse can result in a range of complications, can produce allergic reactions, and can interact with other medications. You should check with your health care provider.